Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, you know that feeling. The air is thick, you're sweating just sitting there. And you're dreaming of a cool breeze. But what if you don't have central air? Or maybe you just need a little extra cooling in a specific room? Cut to a shot of the portable air conditioner mounted on a wall, with cool air visibly blowing out. Well, today we're taking a look at a fantastic solution, this portable wall-mounted air conditioner. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Portable and wall-mounted. In the same sentence? Stick with me. Because this little gadget is surprisingly versatile and might just be the answer to your summer heat woes. Transition to a close-up shot of the air conditioner unit. First off, let's talk about the design. It's sleek, it's white, and it's fairly compact. It won't be an eyesore on your wall. This model features a clear digital display showing the temperature. And it has intuitive touch controls right here. You can easily adjust the temperature, fan speed, and even set a timer.